Okay, for this video, we're going to work on page 8. So you finish page 7, cytoplasm. We're going to do page 8. That's going to be the word ribosome. So you're going to need to get out this vocab word. It's on a new packet. This guy, these two guys, and these two pictures. So go ahead and get all that stuff, get it cut out, and unpause when you are finished. And we're going to start with the definition like normal. Okay. Let me clear up some space. Ribosomes. That's how you pronounce that. Ribosome. Nice short definition for you today. Tiny. Tiny just means really small. Structure. That's just something that's built. Tiny structure where proteins, so think about proteins like the heavy stuff like that you eat that give you muscle, things like that. So there's a lot of protein in like milk, beans, meat, where proteins are synthesized just means made, and usually it's a sciencey word for made. So tiny structure where proteins are synthesized. So if our classroom was a cell, the blank would be the ribosomes because they follow directions and are, what do you guys think? Yes, you. Students. Yeah. Let's go with, I had a great thing in my head and I forgot. The muscle of the cell. You guys are there. If without students, I wouldn't have a job, right? So without the strength of the students, we wouldn't have a classroom. Number 2, ribosomes are important because without them, a cell would not have enough strength. Yes, just like all of that. Okay, so it's going to get glued in at the top like normal. Get my glue on here. Okay, get that glued in all the way at the top. Do not forget the answer number 3. I'm telling you that right now. Number 3, but we have our 2 pictures. So I've got a picture of a ribosome. I would color that, I don't know, purplish. I also have a picture of the muscle that those things build. So there we go. Let's say we've got purple ribosome. And then we got the muscle. Let's see. Any skin color you would like. I happened to get a nice tan one. Beach arms. Okay, the next thing that you're going to need is the 2 sheets that have the things that we're used to on them. So maybe your highlighter. So ribosomes make proteins. Proteins build muscle. So you're going to get, take this one and put glue all the way on the back of it, the whole thing, and put it right here underneath our other muscle picture. And this guy, we're going to make the flap, so just on the one part. And you're going to put it like this. So it's like our flip book. And we've got our last one right there. Ribosomes are the organelles that build or synthesize proteins. So remember, synthesize is building, or you can also write down here, which is a good idea, make or create. And then that one's going to get glued in on the bottom left corner, and then we're going to do a few notes. So get that glued in down there. And then we got just a few notes for you. Okay, so ribosomes. Got our purple ribosome up here. The ribosome is the whole thing. That's just a little thing to show you that it is three-dimensional. Okay, we can call them the protein making factories. Essential. What does essential mean? You cannot function without it. That's true. Like for Miss Philpott, cheese is essential. If she doesn't have cheese, she will die. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. They receive directions, just like you guys remember. Directions from the nucleus or DNA to make. Oh, I gotta get my handwriting game up. Certain proteins, or certain students will tell me my handwriting is booty. Okay, next important thing. So, big question here. What if ribosomes, underline that, took a vacation? What would happen? So let's think about it. What would happen if you didn't? That's not how you spell vacation. Vacation. Put an A in there. What happened if you didn't have any protein in your body? First of all, you'd be hungry for sure. That is a 100%. But we're going to say that cells would not have the building blocks or strength. You could also say support, you pick, to create, all the other organelles. Repair the cell or grow. Okay, and that's all you need for page 8. So make sure you finish question 3 though. And then you're going to go ahead when you have page 8 done, unpause, and we're going to do page 9. Or go to the next video and we'll do page 9.